Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. No, it's been a while. Very, very hot here in Vegas. So today we are going to be doing one of my favorites, a little bone-in ribeye steak on my charcoal grill outside. As you can see, I have all different size steaks here. I'm going to have a little nice 2-inch ribeye for myself. I have about an inch for my wife here, and then my pups are going to get this little guy because they love rib steak. So first thing I'm going to do is just pat it dry a little bit. And it's going to be a real simple cook, honestly. Going to do a little bit of my favorite binder, which is a little bit of the W sauce. I'm going to get that on there. And you just need a little bit. And honestly, no matter what you use for a binder, you're not going to taste it anyway. We are going to just... Forgot the gloves, so we'll just use the brush, no big deal. We will get this nice and incorporated. And what we're going to be seasoning with today is a little bit of my homemade salt, pepper, garlic, which is 1 cup of pepper, ½ cup of salt, 1/4 cup of Lowrys, and 1/2 cup of garlic. I keep this stuff around. I put it on just about everything. So, nice liberal coating. And for mine, we are going to make sure we get the sides because it's huge. Okay, going to put a little more binder on this side. Let's get these guys flipped. A little bit more, little much on that one, but it's okay. It's not going to hurt it. Throw it on my big steak here. And again, it's just, don't even need the binder. Meat's normally juicy enough by itself, but I love the W sauce on beef, so that's exactly what we're going to do. Make sure I get the size a little more here, and get these 2 smaller guys going. Now, because of the difference in size, I am going to put the smaller steaks back in the fridge for a bit, and we're just going to put the 1 steak out, mine, because it's going to take a little longer. And we're going to cook it on indirect, on the charcoal. Basically what that means is I'm going to have the charcoal pushed to one side. I'm going to put my steaks on the side that has no charcoal on it. Let it get to whatever temp you're looking for. I'm personally looking for about 120 degrees before I move it over to the flame to get a nice, crust on it. And we are going to be putting in my ChefsTemp Pro Temp thermometer. Put 1 in there. And I got 2 more in the back here. Not that I really need it, but we'll put it in there anyway. Again, just want to put it into right about where the line is, where this needs to be pushed into. Right about there. And again, these 2 are going to go in the fridge. This one's going to go out into onto the grill now. I'll meet you outside in the grill. Talk to you in a bit. Right, so we are out here. Got the grill. It's getting up to temp, about 300 degrees right now. I think we're okay to take a look. So as you can see, I only got 1 basket in here. And again, that's because we're only going to cook on one side. So I'm just going to turn this like so. It'll be on one side. We can now take our grill. Actually, let me put a couple of pieces of hickory in there. We can now take our gratings. There's 1 side, 2 sides, and these are heavy-duty grates. And believe it or not, this is my member mark gas assist grill. And what we're going to do, as you can see now, I only got the charcoal on one side, a couple of hickory chunks in there. We're going to put the steak on this side and let it just go. And it's going to take a while, but this will just be great. I have the grates open all the way on the bottom. I have the grate all the way open on the top. And I will see you guys in a little bit. So let's go check on these steaks. Just to give you a quick overview, here is some of the things I use. I have my Kamado Joe Big Joe. Series 1, my new Gorilla Mammoth, which I love. I have my gas grill on the outdoor island, which I never use. I have my Masterbuilt Gravity Series. I have my Weber kettle, and I have my Members Mark. So let's see what this looks like. All right, it's coming out nice. Let's give this guy a flip. Oh yeah, beautiful marks. These little guys are cooking up and they're thin, so I'm not too worried about them right now. But that's where we're at. See you in a bit. Hey guys, we're back. Here's my beautiful steak. And you might hear the dogs bark because they want some of this. I topped this off with a nice homemade compound butter with the little fresh herbs from the garden, some garlic confit that I make, and let's just cut into this and take a look. Look at that. That's just absolutely beautiful. Nice medium rare. Beautiful inside. Let's get a slice here. Give it a little taste test. I am not mad at this. This is just absolutely delicious. Nothing like cooking over a live fire, whether you use a Weber kettle or the Member Mark kettle that I used. This is amazing. So you guys should give this a try. I hope this makes up for the other rib steak one that kind of cut out on me. Give this a try. Don't be afraid to cook in the kitchen. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the like button, subscribe. Let's get this channel, to grow a little bit every week. I try and throw out another, another video on something different. I'll be doing about 3 or 4 different cooks this long weekend. So keep your eyes out. Again, from my kitchen to yours, don't be afraid to cook. Get in the kitchen. Try new things. Try old things. Just cook. Again, this is Rich, Cooking with Rich. See you guys next week.